Good afternoon, Pranava and Danya.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. I'll just read the case study and get back. Just a minute. Okay. So, what are the two different denominations, children?
₹1 coin and ₹5 coin.
Correct. 1 rupee coins and 5 rupee coins. So, the number of 1 rupee coins is 4 times the number of 5 rupee coins. So, we should say let the number of rupees 5 rupee coins be X. So 1 rupee coins is 4 times the number of 5 rupee coins. Number of 1 rupee coins is 4 times the number of 5 rupee coins. Therefore, number of 1 rupee coins is equal to 4 times number of 5 rupee coins. That means 4 times 4 into x, which is 4x. Okay. Now, based on the above information, answer the following questions. The equation for the above situation can be expressed as, so the equation is value of all rupee 1 coins plus value of all rupee 5 coins is equal to the total value of money. Total value of money. Okay, so the total value of money it's given, and the total value of the coins is rupees 72. So rupees 72 is the total value of money. Now, what's the value of all the 1 rupee coins? How many 1 rupee coins? 4x 1 rupee coins. So number of 1 rupee coins into the denomination. Into the denomination. Denomination into number of coins. 1 rupee is the denomination into the number of coins, 4x. Plus, denomination is 5 rupee coins. How many 5 rupee coins? X 5 rupee coins. I'll write this again. Denomination is 1. And how many 1 rupee coins? 4x. Plus, denomination is 5. And how many 5 rupee coins? X. So 4x into 1 is the value of all the 1 rupee coins. X into 5 is the value of all the 5 rupee coins. And the total value is 72 rupees. So you have 4x plus 5x is equal to 72, or 9x is equal to 72 is the equation. Okay, so that is option B. Next one, the total number of coins in Vasu's piggy bank is the total number of coins. So you have to solve this. To find the total number of coins, you'll have to solve this. 9x is equal to 72. 9x is equal to 72. X is equal to 72 by 9, which is 8. What is 8? 8. What is 8 meaning? X is 8. That means the number of 5 rupee coins is 8. Number of rupee 5 coins is equal to 8. Then what's the number of 1 rupee coins? 4x. The number of coins is equal to 4x. 4x, which is 4 into 8, which is 32. Number of 5 rupee coins is equal to x. which is 8. 1 rupee coins, 4x, which is 4 into 8, 32. Now the question is the total number of coins in Vasu's piggy bank is. So total number of coins is equal to total number of coins in his piggy bank is equal to 8 plus 32, which is 40. This is the answer for the second one. The total value of rupee 5 coins. The total value of rupee 5 coins in the piggy bank is the value of the 5 rupee coins. So how many 5 rupee coins? 8 5 rupee coins. So total value of 5 rupee coins in the piggy bank is equal to the denomination is 5. And how many 5 rupee coins? 8. So the value is 40 rupees. Yeah, you can ask me if something is not clear, you can ask me. See, if you have not got, if this question was, not easy for you to understand or you went wrong somewhere, whatever doubt you have, you can ask me. Or if you feel now it's clear, you went wrong, but now you have understood the correct way of answering the question, fine, we'll go to the next one. You have to say something. Either ask doubts or say that you're clear and we'll go to the next one.
Clear, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Clear.
Yeah, if you feel you didn't attend this correctly, yeah, good afternoon, Tanya.
Good
So if you,
afternoon, ma'am.
yeah, if you feel, see if you're right, good. Otherwise, please learn it and work it correctly. Repeat the answer. Next one. Shireen's family shifted to a new society this year. In the park, Shireen met a new friend, Kavya, and their conversation is given below. Kavya, hello. Shireen, hi. What is your name? What is your house number? Kavya, my name is Kavya. I reside in house number 21. What about you? Shireen, if I add 5 to 1/3 of my house number, I will get your house number. So is what Shireen replies. Okay, so Kavya says, I reside in house number 21. So Kavya's house number is 21. Kavya's house number is equal to 21. And she asks Shireen, what about your house number? So what does Shireen reply? If I add 5 to 1/3 of my house number, we don't know her house number. We don't know Shireen's house number. So let Shireen's house number be X because we don't know. We only know Kavya's house number. Shireen's house number, she's not saying, but she's telling us that in the form of a riddle. We have to find. So for now, let it be X. Kavya says her house number is 21, but Shireen does not say that. She's giving us some information using which we have to find her house number. So we'll say let Shireen's house number be X because we don't know now X or Y or whatever variable. Now, if I add 5, this is what Shireen says. If I add 5 to 1/3 of my house number, her own house number, to 1/3 of her own house number. So what is her house number? X. X. 1/3 of X is X by 3. If she adds 5, I will get your house number. So she will get 21. Now, based on the above information, answer the following questions. Form an equation for the above situation. This is the equation. When it is form an equation, just form the equation and leave it. Don't solve the equation. Form the equation means just frame or construct the equation. Don't solve it. Next question is, what is the house number of Shireen? So for that, we'll have to solve. This is the equation, is the required equation. Now we'll have to solve to find Shireen's house number. So x by 3 is equal to 21 minus 5. Plus 5 goes to the other side as minus 5. X by 3 is equal to 16. Now you'll have to cross multiply. X is equal to 3 into 16. X is equal to 48. So Shireen's house number is 48. Any questions?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No.
Yeah. Yes, please ask me. Okay. Assertion reasoning. I've shared the images on WhatsApp. And yes, Pranava, you asked for the recording. I'm sorry. Actually, I was like having different classes. I didn't have your class, no, in the morning, which was scheduled at 11:30. So I had actually scheduled some other online class because yours was, like not cancelled, but postponed. Um, so I didn't have time to download the recording, Pranava. I'll send it to you today. I'll try my best to send it today. All right.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Assertion reasoning from simple equations. If x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1, is a solution of the equation 2x plus 3y is equal to k, then the value of k is 7. If x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1, is the solution of the equation 2x plus 3y is equal to k. So that means 2 into 2 plus 3 into 1, because x is 2 and y is 1, is equal to k. So 4 plus 3 is equal to k. So k is equal to 7. Correct. So the assertion is correct. Then the value of k is 7. Yes, assertion is true. Reason. The solution of the line will satisfy the equation of the line. Correct. Now line here is 2x plus 3y is equal to k, that is the equation of a line. That's the equation of a line. That's a linear equation, and that's the equation of a line. So the solution of the line will satisfy the equation of the line. Yes, every solution will satisfy the equation. So in the assertion, we have a solution. X is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. We have this is a solution set. This one is a solution set. In assertion statement, we have a solution set for a linear equation. And in the reason, it's an explanation about the assertion statement. The solution of the line will satisfy the equation of the line. So assertion is true, reason is true, and reason is the correct explanation for the assertion statement. So option A. All right. Expressions are formed by performing operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, etc. 6x minus 3 is an expression in variable x. Okay, let me read it again. The reason is 6x minus 3 is an expression in variable x. Yeah, correct. 6x minus 3 is an expression. It's not an equation. Okay, 6x minus 3 is an expression. It's not an equation. It is an expression in variable x. Correct. And assertion, expressions are formed by performing operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Correct. That's how expressions are formed. Like we have 3x plus 5, no? So this expression is formed using the addition symbol. Or 3x minus 7, subtraction symbol. So expressions are formed by performing operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, etc. True. 6x minus 3 is an expression in variable x. True. Now tell me, which is the correct option? Yes, children?
Ma'am, is it A? Option A, ma'am.
Option A. So you feel uh, what is in option A, what is spoken about? I'm sorry, in the assertion statement, what is spoken about? How expressions are formed, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, how expressions are formed. They are formed by performing operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, etc. So in assertion statement, the discussion is about expressions. And the reason 6x minus 3 is an expression in variable x. Both are true, but is the reason explaining the assertion? Okay. Confused between option A and option B, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
That's what I want. That's what I want. I don't see, I'm not expecting the answer. I want what is going on in your mind. Danya and Pranava?
Ma'am, I think so. Just option.
Option?
Confusion in option A and option B.
Okay, same confusion. Danya?
Same confusion, ma'am.
Correct. So now we'll have to read, for that we need to just read the assertion statement clearly. What is given in the assertion statement? Expressions are formed by performing operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Correct, that is correct. That's how expressions are formed. In the reason, 6x minus 3 is an expression in variable x. So now the thing is, in the both are correct, but in the reason statement there is something extra, no, in variable x. But is anything about variable spoken about in the assertion statement?
No, ma'am.
If there's anything extra or something, if something is in the reason statement which is not in the assertion, then A reason is not a correct explanation for assertion. That's all it is. Whatever is in the assertion, that should be explained in the reason. If the reason has something which is true, but it is not, that was not mentioned in the assertion statement, then it is option B. If everything in the reason is in the assertion, then it is option A. But if the reason is true, but there is something in the reason that was not spoken about in the assertion statement, no, why they're talking about that, then it is not the correct explanation for A. That's all it is. So here assertion is true, reason is also true, but reason is not the correct explanation for A because in the reason it's given 6x minus 3 is an expression in variable x, but that variable was not spoken about in the assertion at all. For that little reason, for in variable x, just for that reason is not a correct explanation for the assumption of the assertion. Understand? When we do more like this, it will be clear. Don't worry. Now, do you understand the reason?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I'll just write option
Yes,
B.
ma'am.
Okay. Okay. I'll just write option B. You know which is option B. Yeah. Third one. What have you written for the third one? Okay, let me read it. The value of the variable in an equation for which the equation is satisfied. The value of the variable in an equation for which the equation is satisfied is called the solution of the equation. That's true. Like, for example, we have this equation 2x minus 5 is equal to 7. Okay. Now, when you take, when we say x is equal to 6 is the solution, is the solution. When we say x is equal to 6 is the solution, that means when you put x 6, okay, the equation is satisfied. So see here, 6 into 12, 6 into 2, 12 minus 5 is 7. And the right hand side is also 7. That means the equation is satisfied when x is 6. The equation is satisfied when x is 6. So x is a solution to this equation. You understand what solution is? I said 2x minus 5 is equal to 7. When you take x as 6, x is equal to 6. Okay, what is the left hand side? 2 into 6 minus 5. So 12 minus 5, 7. Right hand side is 7. So LHS is equal to RHS. That means the equation is satisfied. That means the equation is satisfied when x is equal to 6. That is why we say 6 is a solution to the equation. When LHS is equal to RHS, the equation is satisfied for that value of x. So that value is called the solution. Okay, that's the assertion. So assertion is true. Reason is the solution for the equation 2x minus 3 is equal to 5 is x is equal to 4. So how do you find the solution? 2x minus 3 is equal to 5. 2x is equal to 8. X is equal to 8 by 2, which is 4. The solution for the equation is x is equal to 4. Yeah. Just think and tell me, do you find any difference? Is the reason connected to the assertion or not? Maybe you've written something. Now just think again. 2 minutes, take 2 minutes. I'll explain the next one also. So the third one is what we just discussed. Solution means when you put that value in place of the variable, the left hand side will be equal to the right hand side. Such a value is called the solution. So here we say x is the, sorry, here we say 6 is the solution because when you put 6 in place of x, the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So 6 is a solution. And the next one, they have found the solution. And the solution is true. When you solve it, you get x is equal to 4. That's true. Okay, now we know both are true, but uh, the what you have to decide is if it is option A or B. So let me know that. The next one, the value of the variable is an sorry, the value of the variable in an equation for which the equation is satisfied is called the solution of the equation. Is it a repeat? Oh, no, no. There's a slight difference, that's all. The solution of the equation x plus 3 is equal to 0 is 3. Both are similar, but the answers are different. So in the assertion statement is about the solution of an equation, which you have understood. Reason is the solution of the equation x plus 3 is equal to 0 is 3. Is that true or false?
And false.
False. Because what is the solution? X is equal to minus 3, not 3. When you solve this, you get x is equal to minus 3, not 3. So in the fourth one, the reason is false. The solution of the equation x plus 3 is equal to 0 is 3, is false. So for the fourth one, the reason is false. Okay, now rethink the third and the fourth one and keep your answer ready, children. I'm just getting a call. I'll just come back. Yeah, thank you, children. Okay. So for the third one, your intuition is right. Most of you said option A. I don't know if you said option B, but option A is the correct answer because both are the reason is about the assertion. The assertion says about the solution of the equation. And the reason is also exactly about the solution. 4 is a solution. But you should check if the solution is true. When you solve this, you should see if the solution is true. 2x is equal to 5 plus 3, 8. X is equal to 4. Yeah, the solution is true. Sometimes it'll give you the solution, but the solution may be wrong. Then that means the reason is false. Okay, so here the assertion is true. Reason is also true. And the reason is exactly about the assertion. Reason is exactly about the assertion. Assertion is talking about a value that satisfies the equation. And here 4 will satisfy this equation. So option A is the correct answer. There is no deviation at all in the reason. In the reason, there is nothing that is deviating or away from the assertion statement. For the fourth one, it's very clear because assertion is true, but the reason is false for the fourth one. Why? Because when you solve x plus 3 is equal to 0, we get x is equal to minus 3, but here it's given 3. It's given 3 there, but it's actually minus 3. So for the fourth one, the answer is assertion is true, but reason is false. So which option? Option C. All right. Okay, next one. What's the next chapter, Isha, children?
Ma'am,
Comparing
comparing quantities.
quantities. Okay. Okay. Mr. Anand wants to start a new business for which he needs rupees 50,000. He borrows 20,000 from his brother and the remaining from one of his friends. Based on the above information, answer the following questions. Okay. So Anand wants 50,000. He borrows 20,000 from his brother and the remaining 30,000 from one of his friends. If he borrowed the money at 8% per annum for 5 years, how much will he return to his brother? So we'll have to find the simple interest. Okay, SI is equal to this for brother. Okay, so principal is equal to rupees 20,000. Time, that is N is 5 years and rate is 8%. So simple interest is equal to PNR by 100. That is 20,000 into 5 into 8 by 100. So two zeros. 8 for the 40, 2s are 80, 8,000, correct? So how much he has to return? So amount you should find. Amount is equal to principal plus simple interest. Principal is 20,000 plus simple interest 8,000. So he has to return 28,000 to his brother. So Anand, Mr. Anand or Anand has to return rupees 28,000 to his brother. Because he has taken 20,000 and on that the interest alone for 5 years is 8,000. So he has to return the principal and the interest together. He has to return the principal and the interest. So principal 20,000 he has to return. And then the interest. He has used his brother's money for 5 years, right? For that he has to pay interest. 8,000. So totally he has to return 28,000 to his brother. Mr. Anand paid rupees 5,400 as interest after 3 years to his friend. At what rate percent per annum did he borrow the money from his friend? So here we have to find the rate percent. R is equal to 100 into SI by P into N. So 100 into, he paid 5,400 as interest. 5,400 as interest by P into N. P is for the friend, it's 30,000 into N, 3 years. Tell me, is the substitution understood? To find the rate, the formula is 100 into SI by P into N. 100 into SI is given 5,400 as interest. So that is a simple interest by P, principal, 30,000. From friend, he's taken 30,000 into N, 3 years. After 3 years, he returns the money. Okay, so 4 zeros in the denominator and 4 zeros the numerator, they get cancelled. And you can see 3 ones are 3, 1s are 3, 3 eights are. Again 3 ones are 3, 6 are. 6%. Rate is equal to 6%. Children, I'm sorry, I'm getting a call. Just a minute. Please go through your working, compare this answer with what you have worked, and let me know if it's clear or if you have any questions. Yeah, thank you, children. Yes, any questions here?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, no, ma'am.
Yes? Okay. A smartwatch is a portable device that is designed to be worn on a wrist and use touchscreens, offer applications like smartphones. It also records heart rate and other vital signs. By selling a smartwatch for rupees 26,450, a shopkeeper earns a profit of 15%. So this is about a smartwatch so far. This is just information. A smartwatch is a portable device. Yeah, you can move it no from one place to another. It's a portable device, something which can be moved easily from one place to another. That is designed to be worn on a wrist. Yeah, we wear a watch on our wrist, right? Wristwatch, it's called, and use touch screens. Well, I have not used it a smartwatch, but then I have seen people, they use it like a phone. No, they just touch the screen and they to get to see whatever they want. Touch screens offer applications like smartphones. So it has applications like you have on your smartphone. On smartphones, we have different applications, right? Like WhatsApp is an application on the smartphone. Like that, you have different applications in a smartwatch. Certain things which we have, few things which we have in the smartphone is also in the smartwatch. Applications like we have applications on phones, right? So similar applications are also found on smartwatches. It also records heart rate. Yes, you can find out how many times your heart beats per minute, pulse rate, heart rate, and other vital signs, meaning something related to the human body. Vital signs and other vital signs. Vital meaning related to human body. By selling a smartwatch for 26,450, a shopkeeper earns a profit of 15%. Based on the above information, answer the following questions. Okay, so by selling, so SP is equal to 26,450 and profit is equal to 15%. So you should find the CP. What's the CP, children? What's the formula to find CP? CP is equal to
100 divided by 100 plus.
correct. 1 minute. I'll just take a new slide. Selling price is equal to 26,450. Yeah, CP is equal to 100. Correct? What's the answer? What's the final answer, children?
Ma'am, 23,000.
23,000.
I'm getting the same answer.
Let me see. Just do it on my calculator. 26,450 divided by 115. Yes, 230. You can cancel it. 230 times. So 23,000. So the cost of the smartwatch is 23,000. To earn a profit of 20%, the shopkeeper should sell the watch for
27,600.
correct. 1 second.
25,000.
So what is the CP? What's the CP? Should we find CP or SP?
SP, ma'am.
Yeah, we have to find SP. To find SP, what is the CP?
23,000.
Correct, 23,000. So SP is equal to 100 plus profit percent by 100 into CP. So 100 plus 20 by 100 into 23,000. So 120 by 100 into 23,000. Two zeros get cancelled. What is 230 into 120? 27,600. Perfect. 27,600. Sorry, 27,000. Yeah, 27,600. Gain or loss is always calculated on
SP.
CP.
CP. It's always calculated on the CP. Because what is the formula to find, you know, the gain percent or loss percent? Gain percent is gain by CP into 100. Loss percent is loss by CP into 100. So gain loss is always based on the cost price. It's always based on the cost price. Gain or loss is always calculated on cost price. The formula to calculate loss percent is
B option.
option B. Loss by CP into 100. You can see it's always calculated on the cost price. Correct. Very good. Assertion reason. Okay. Yeah, you tell me your answers. Let me record that and then 1, 2, 3, 4. Assertion reason statements 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. What's the which option for the first one?
Option A, ma'am.
Correct. Option A is right. Because in the assertion statement, it's about a shopkeeper who purchases 2 refrigerators. Okay, for 18,000, and he sold them for 16,920. So it's a loss. Loss percent is given. And in the reason also, it's about the loss percent. Loss percent refers to the amount of loss incurred, which is expressed or calculated as percentage. Exactly the situation in the assertion statement is explained here in the reason. Oh, did I read the next? Sorry, 1 second. Children, there's somebody at the door. 1 second, I'll just come back. Yeah, I think I read the second one. I don't know. Yeah. The first one is the ratio of 50 paise to 1 rupee is 1:2. Is that correct, children? Assertion?
Yes, ma'am.
Correct. 50 paise and 100 paise. 50 paise is to 100 paise. So the ratio is 1:2. Correct. A ratio can be defined as the relationship or comparison between two numbers of the same unit to check how bigger is one number than the other. Is that correct about the reason? First, you should see if the reason is correct. Then you must see if the reason explains the assertion. First, you should judge if the reason is correct. Reason is correct, meaning if the reason, the information in the reason, is that correct? Is the reason true or false first? Then, if it is true, is it explaining assertion? First, you must see if the assertion statement is true. Then the reason statement is true or false. If the reason, first you check if assertion is true or false, and then you check if reason is true or false. If assertion is true and the reason is true, then you must check if the reason is explaining the assertion. Only if both are true, you will get option A or B. Okay. So assertion is true, 1:2 ratio, that is true. Reason is true or false, children, according to you? It is true because yes, it ratios comparing two quantities of the same kind. It is true. And it exactly explains the information in the assertion statement. So option A. How many of you have written option A?
Ma'am, I wrote option A, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, I just wrote option B.
Okay. Yeah, the second one, I was just reading the assertion reason statements. What was the second one, children? Option A or B?
Ma'am, is it option A?
Okay, Tanya, option A. Others?
Option A, ma'am. Option A.
Okay, I'll just check if that percentage is correct, loss percentage, because otherwise assertion will be false, no? So I'll just check the percentage. What's the total CP? 18,000. Total CP is 18,000. And total SP is 16,920. So 18,000 minus 16,920 is 1,080. Loss by CP into 100. So 108 followed by 3 zeros divided by 18. Oh, that's wrong. Loss percent itself is wrong, children. See, I'm getting loss as that's what we should check if that detail given is correct. Loss is actually 18,000 minus 16,920. Okay, so loss is 1,080 divided by CP 18,000 into 100. Just recheck 108 divided by 18. All of you calculate and tell me if you're getting 6.3. All of you. I'll cancel 3 zeros, 2 3 zeros. Okay. Zeros. The 3 zeros here, 3 zeros here. Then 254 times 2 nines are 9 ones are 9 six are. So loss is 6%, right? But it's given 6.3. So assertion is false, but the reason is true, correct? So always when information is given like that, you need to first check the information. Like in simple equations we had, no, x plus 3 is equal to 0. X is equal to 3 is a solution. No, minus 3 is a solution. So like that, you'll have to check the information given. So here, for the second one, assertion is false. Reason is true. Next one. Simple interest, 100 rupees 1 year at the rate of 3 paise per rupee per month is rupees 20. Simple interest is a method of calculating the charge on a loan. We have to calculate this. Third one, the rate is given 3 paise per rupee per month, but we have to find for 1 year. So first you should change this to a percentage. This is new, you'll have to listen carefully. The rate of interest, how to calculate the rate of interest. Rate of interest is what? It's a percentage per annum for 1 year. Rate of interest is a percentage for 1 year. But here it's not given as a percentage. So first you should find it out as a percentage. What is rate of interest? Rate of interest is a percentage for 1 year. Here it is not given as a percentage at all. So first you should change it to a percentage. So it's given, it is, what is that? The simple interest of rupees 100, where is it gone? Rate of 3 paise per rupee per month. 3 paise per rupee. Per rupee meaning for rupees 1 per month. Per month. Okay. So how to find the percentage? So to find percentage, you can also do this. It's 3 paise for 1 month. So for 1 year, how much? 3 paise for 1 month. So for 12 months, it will be 12 into 3, 36 paise. 36 paise for 12 months. It's 36 paise for 12 months. Now how to find the percentage? So we found per annum. Now we should find the percentage. 36 paise for 1 rupee. No, so for every 100 paise. And multiply by 100 to get percentage. So it is 36%. The rate of interest is 36% per annum. The rate of interest is 36% per annum. Rate of interest is in percentage for 1 year. But here it is given 3 paise for 1 month. If it is 3 paise for 1 month, 3 paise for 1 month, then it is 36 paise for 1 year. For 1 year. So we found out for 1 year. Per annum we found 36 paise for 1 year. Okay. Now we should change it to percentage. How do you change to percentage? You should multiply fraction by 100. And what is that fraction? 36 paise for every 100 paise. Why by 100? Because it's given for 1 rupee. So this is in paise. Denominator also should be in paise. So it's 36%. Now come back to the assertion. The simple interest of rupees 100 of on rupees 100. There's a lot of English mistake. The simple interest on rupees 100 for 1 year at the rate of is 24. So they've calculated the simple interest. So principal is 100, time is 1 year, rate is 36% by 100. PNR. It's 36 rupees, but they're given 24 rupees. So assertion is false. Reason is true. Yeah, it's calculating interest only. Simple interest means it's a way of calculating interest. Assertion is false because the value computed is false. Reason is true. So assertion false, reason true is option D. Option D. Understand, children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Well,
ma'am.
all right. Next one. The simple interest on rupees 1,000 for 2 years at 8% per annum is 160. The simple interest is the quick and easy method of calculating the interest charge on a loan. Okay. So here also we should check if what's given there is right. 1,000 rupees is the principal, rate is 8%, time is 2 years. Principal into rate. This is N, this is R. 2 years, 8%, 1,000 rupees by 100. 160 rupees. Yeah, correct. Yeah, which option, children?
Option A, ma'am. A, ma'am.
Correct. Option
A,
A,
ma'am.
because correct. Option A. Assertion is true, reason is true, and it explains A. Very good. Okay, next one. Just tell me the name of the chapter, children. I forgot.
Rational numbers.
Okay, yeah. That's all. No, I sent only these three, right, today?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, yeah. So time management skill allows a student to complete more in less time, more work in less time. Time management helps a student to achieve his goals faster and to prioritize his work. By an effective time management, a student gets more work done in less time and reduces the work stress. The students were given a time of 2 3/4 hours to complete their examination of a class based on the above. So that means for a particular exam, the maximum time given to you was 2 hours and 2 3/4 hours. Based on the above information, answer the following questions. If Swati completed her paper in 2 3/10 hours, how much time in minutes was left for the examination to get over? Okay. Option A. Right, children? Were you able to do this one? Okay, fine. No response. Next one. So Geetika completes it in 2 hours and 10 minutes. Swati in 2 hours and 18 minutes. So Geetika's earlier by 8 minutes. Because who's the first person? Swati. Swati takes 2 hours 18 minutes. Geetika takes 2 hours 10 minutes. So Geetika is 8 minutes earlier. But they're given as a fraction there. Okay. So she takes 18 minutes minus 10 minutes. 8 minutes earlier. 8 minutes earlier. To convert this to hours, minutes to hours, you divide by 60, 8 by 60. So 4 twos are and 4 15 times. So 2 by 5, 15 hours. The additive inverse of 2 3 by 4 is minus 2 3 by 4. Additive inverse, just change, write the opposite sign, minus 2 3 by 4. Yeah, you can ask me. If something is not clear, you can ask me. Or if you understood now after I explained, fine, we'll go to the next one.
No doubt, ma'am.
Okay, next.
No doubt, ma'am.
All right, yeah. Yeah. Every year, thousands of Sikhs flock on the roads outside Gurudwara in the scorching heat to distribute a refreshing pink drink to strangers, homeless people, and anyone who could use a drink to beat the heat. A group of such people bought 150 liters pink drink and served in glasses, each glass containing 1 by 10 liters of the drink. Read the above information, answer the following questions. How many people could be served with the available pink drink? What's the answer?
1,500, ma'am.
Okay, this is the total 150 liters. Let's see. Okay. 1/10 of a liter means? Yeah, so you should just divide. So number of glasses is equal to totally 150 liters divided by, in each glass, 1/10 liters. Totally 150 liters divided by, in each glass, 1/10. Of a liter. So just divide one by the other. So 150 into 10. So 1500. 1500. No options here. Okay, so 1500 is the answer for the first one. Next one. A group of 15 people stopped and took one glass each. How much drink was served to the whole group? For 15 people, how much was served? 15 people and each took one glass. How much drink was served to the whole group? So 15 into 1/10. 1/10 in one glass, there is 1/10 liters of juice. One glass, 1/10. 15 glasses, 15 into 1/10. 5 threes are 5 twos are. So 3/2 liters or 1/2 liters. So 15 of them have consumed 1.5 liters of juice. Amit took 2 glasses and his brother drank 3 glasses. How much drink was consumed by these two persons? Give your answer in liters. Amit took 2 glasses and his brother 3 glasses. So totally 5 glasses.
Ma'am, is
So,
it half
correct.
liter?
So, correct. 5 into 1/10. So 5 ones are
1/2 liter, ma'am.
correct. 1/2 liters. One by 2 liters or half a liter. One person, 1/10 liters. 5 people, 5 into 1/10. Okay, so that's about the second one. Next one. Online shopping website offers the electronic items at different prices. A laptop of rupees 45,000 is available at 2/3 of its marked price on website X. Website Y gives an additional discount equivalent to 1/20 of the laptop price at checkout. Website Y offers okay, website X. No, I think I didn't read it properly. 1 minute. Online shopping website offers electronic items at different prices. A laptop of rupees 40 available at 2/3 price on website X. Website X, sorry, X that is of the laptop price at checkout. Website Y offers the same laptop model at 4/5, 4/5 of its price with no further discount at checkout. On the basis of the above information, answer the following questions. Rohan bought the laptop from website X. How much money did he pay? Okay. Yeah. Can you help me? Correct?
Ma'am, I can't understand, ma'am.
Okay. What is the price of the laptop? 45,000,
45,000.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
But it's available for two-thirds of its marked price, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So what is two-thirds of the marked price? Two-thirds meaning 2 by 3. Off is into marked price is 45,000, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So that works to 30,000. Oh, discount is on the marked price. 1 minute. Discount I don't charge it's 45%. Discount is always calculated on the marked price. Note that. Discount is always calculated on the marked price. Very important. By mistake, I took yeah. So the Pranava, so price of the laptop, it's given the first line, two-thirds of its marked price. So two-thirds means 2 by 3 off is into marked price is 45,000. That is 30,000. But you're getting a further discount. What's a further discount? 1 by 20. Discount is always given on the marked price. 1 by 20 of the marked price is the further discount. So what's the actual price of the laptop?
45,000.
Final amount to be paid. How much will you pay? 45,000 is the mark price. But they are offering you at two-thirds of its price. They're giving it to you at two-thirds of that price. So they're giving it to you for 30,000. Not only that, they're saying that they'll give you a further discount of 1 by 20 of the mark price. So not only have they reduced the price to 30,000, you're further getting a discount of 2,250. So the final price of the final price of the laptop will be 27,750. You should see the question it's given. The mark price is 45,000, but they're offering you, they're giving you the laptop at two-thirds of its marked price. So they're saying, okay, you can take it for 30,000. Not only that, they're saying they'll give you a further discount of 1 by 20 of the mark price. So 1 by 20 of mark price is 45,000, which is 2,250. This is a further discount. Further discount of 2,250. So how much will you actually pay? 30,000 minus, because it's no more 45,000. Two-thirds of the price, 30,000 minus the discount of 2,250. 27,750. Which website sells a laptop at more economical price? Economical meaning lesser price. Which website sells the laptop at more economical price? Yeah, what have you answered?
Ma'am, actually, I did not understand the third case study at all, ma'am. So I didn't write the third along, ma'am.
Okay, no problem. Now, is the first part understood now?
Yes, ma'am.
Write again next class. You remind me. If it is still not clear, we'll do it again in the next class. You first try to practice by yourself. Now we've understood something, no? So just try to practice by yourself. If it's really not clear, we'll do it again in the next class.
Ma'am, is it website X? Because it has the more economical price.
Yeah, I know. I didn't still find out the website why for the price at website why.
But
Just a minute. 1 minute. I'll just come back. Yeah, Chetan. My son is back from school. No, I had to just give him some instructions. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, let's come back. So this is about the price of a laptop on two different websites, website X and website Y. So on website X, The mark price is 45,000, but the price is only, it's the website says you can take it for 2/3 of its marked price. The price is 45,000, but that website says you can take it for 2/3 of the marked price. So 2 by 3 into 45,000, which is 30,000. So the price is 45, but if you want to buy it, it's available for 30,000. So you buy it for 30,000. You didn't know about the discount. Checkout, what is given at checkout, that discount which is given 1 by 20 of the laptop price at the checkout, that actually when it is discount at checkout, that will only when you make online transactions, you can just find out from your parents also. So at checkout, so you don't know that it was available. When you're trying to trying to close the transaction, then this discount suddenly pops up. It says you're further getting a discount of 1 by 20 of the mark price, because discount is always on the mark price. So you didn't know about that. That's what is this checkout discount. So the discount is 1 by 20 into the mark price 45,000. So you get a further discount of 2,250. So your actual price 30,000 minus this further checkout discount 2,250. So you're paying only this much. Now in website B, yeah. Yeah. Website Y, price of laptop is equal to 4 by 5 of 45,000, which is 9,000. So 36,000. It's available for 36,000. So which one is more economical?
Website X.
Yeah. So website X is economical. Economical meaning lesser price, which is giving for lesser price. Which is more economical? That is, which is giving for more, which is giving for lesser price. Website X. Okay, the next one is, at what fraction of the original price is the laptop available at checkout on website X? So you just have to find a fraction here. What fraction of the original price? What's the original price? 45,000. But what was the checkout price? 27,750. This fraction you have to find, that's all. For the third one. At what fraction? So you'll have to find a fraction of the original price. This is the original price. Is the laptop available at checkout on website X? This is the checkout price on website X. This is the checkout price on website X. And this is the original price, 45,000. Like you get 18 marks out of 20 marks in a test. The total marks is 20 and you get 18. So like that here, the actual value is 45,000. But you have got it for 27,750. This fraction you should find. Is that clear? Okay. So 0, 0, simplify. 5 fives are 25, 2 remains. 5 fives are 25, 2 remains, 5. 5 nines are 45, 0, 0, 900. Again, 511 times. 5 ones are 5 8 are 40. So the fraction is, the required fraction is 111 by 180. Okay, we'll quickly see the answers to the assertion reason questions and the wind up the session for today. When is your school reopening, children, after the vacations?
October 3rd.
October 3rd. Okay. Now, so far your school has finished how many chapters? I'll just read out.
6.
6 chapters. I think I've sent assertion reason and case study on all these 6 chapters. I sent on integers, fractions, and decimals, data handling, simple equations, comparing quantities, and rational numbers. Okay. Yeah, assertion reasoning. First one, children, answer. All integers are, sorry, all integers and fractions are rational numbers. True.
True, ma'am.
Two rational numbers with same denominator. Two rational numbers with same denominator can be added by adding their numerators, keeping with the same denominator. True, right? True. Assertion is true, reason is true. Now, is the reason explaining the assertion statement?
No, ma'am.
No. So it's option
B.
B. 2 by 5 is a rational number lying between -1 and 9 by 5. Yeah, -1 and 9 by 5. What is -1? -5 by 5 and 9 by 5. Yes, 2 by 5 will be between these two, no? -5 by 5, -4 by 5, -3 by 5, -2 by 5, -1 by 5, 0 by 5, 1 by 5, 2 by 5. Yes. And there is 3 by 5, 4 by 5. -1 should be written with denominator 5. -1 should be written with denominator 5. -5 by 5 and 9 by 5. Correct. 2 by 5. 2 by 5 lies between -5 by 5 and 9 by 5. Correct. There are infinitely many rational numbers between two rational numbers. True. There are infinitely many rational numbers between two rational numbers. So assertion is true, reason is true, and assertion is true, reason is true, and assertion is an explanation. Sorry, the reason is an explanation for the assertion, because assertion is about 2 by 5 is between -1 and 9 by 5. And reason is, yeah, there are many, infinitely many rationals between two rational numbers. Here also we are given, in the assertion statement, we have two rational numbers. And this one is a rational between these two rationals. In the assertion, these are the two rational numbers, and 2 by 5 is the rational between these two rationals. Same thing in the reason. There are infinitely many rationals between two rational numbers. So assertion is true, reason is true, and reason is the correct explanation for the assertion statement. So option A. For rational numbers, A by B and C by D, A by B divided by C by D is always a rational number. True or false? So that's about the closure property. When you divide two rational numbers, the answer is also rational. No, rational numbers are not closed under division. Rational numbers are not closed under division. Because when you divide two rational numbers, the answer need not be rational. Like if you divide 5 by 7 by 0, it's not defined. Division by 0 is not defined. 5 by 7 is a rational number, 0 is a rational number. When you divide these two rational numbers, rational number divided by rational number, the answer is not a rational number because it's not defined. So the assertion is false. You get it, children?
Yes,
For
ma'am.
rational numbers, yeah, for rational numbers A by B and C by D, division A by B divided by C by D is always a rational number. See, actually, this you can understand in two ways because they've mentioned, okay, this is one explanation. That is, rational numbers are not closed under division. That is, when you divide a rational number by another rational number, the answer need not be a rational number. Rational numbers are not closed under division because division by 0 is not defined. Because when you divide by 0, you don't get a rational number. It's not defined. For that reason, it is false. But here they have mentioned A by B and C by D. So if you take them as, if you take both of them as rational numbers and not 0, then it is true. Please try to understand. If
மேம்
I, yes.
மேம் பிரணவாக்கு ஒரு 5 o'clock டான்ஸ் கிளாஸ் இருக்கு மேம்.
ஓகே மேம். நீங்க இப்ப கிளம்புறதா கிளம்பலாம். நான் ஆயிடுச்சு லாஸ்ட் ஒன் இது.
ஓகே மேம். Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. If you take it as A by, if you take examples like 3 by 4 and 5 by 7, okay? 3 by 4 and 5 by 7. When you divide 3 by 4 and 5 by 7, 3 by 4 divided by 5 by 7 is 3 by 4 into 7 by 5. So what do you get? 21 by 20. So you get a rational number. When you divide two rational numbers A by B and C by D, the answer is also a rational number. Only when it is 0, it is not defined. Otherwise, it's true. So in this case, no, you can take it like this. Because they are given A by B and C by D. That means it's not 0. A by B is like 3 by 4. C by D is like 5 by 7. When you divide 3 by 4 and 5 by 7, what do you get? 21 by 20. It's true. Which is a rational number. 3 by 4 is a rational number. 5 by 7 is a rational number. And when you divide, you get a rational number, 21 by 20. So it's true. Assertion is true. And reason, A by B divided by -1. So division becomes multiplication and reciprocal of -1 is -1 only. What you get is minus A by B, but they're given minus B by A. So assertion is true, but reason is false. Assertion is true, reason is false. Why reason is false? Because A by B divided by, change division to multiplication and write the reciprocal of -1, which is -1. So the answer is minus A by B, but they have given minus B by A. So the reason is false. Assertion is true. So option C, assertion true, reason false. All right. So we have discussed everything, right, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Pranava, Tanya, and Danya. Yeah, we've discussed everything I sent today. Okay. All right, children.
Yes, ma'am.
So, yeah. All right, children. So that's it for today's session. Thank you. You may leave the call.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, children.
Thank you.
Thank you.